Hi boys and girls, Mrs. Wilcox here. Happy Tuesday. We are in our second day of learning this week, and in case you missed it from my video yesterday, there is no school on Friday this week. It is a teacher work day, and so I won't have any assignments for you, but hopefully you can get on and work on some of those extra resources if you're feeling like you need something to do, and you'll have a long, great Easter weekend. All right, I'm going to switch my screen and show you what we're going to be learning today for Tuesday. All right, here I am at the Tuesday homepage. And so you can see here are ways for you to contact me. Now our Zoom changed a little bit today. The computer people in our school district, they were doing some work behind the scenes, and that changed it so that every meeting needed to have a password. So our meeting does have a password, and it's 111111 6 ones. Otherwise, if you click on this link right here, it should take you right to the meeting, and you shouldn't have to put the password in there. But if you're getting to our meetings a different way by putting the meeting ID number in or something like that, here is the password that you can use to get in on those meetings, okay? I saw some friends today on Zoom, and they showed me how they had compared and contrasted themselves with Alexander from our story yesterday and some of the writing and the work that they'd been doing. I also saw some beautiful art projects and some other great things as well too. So try to get on Zoom, my friends. I would love to see you on there. That would be great. All right, moving down, I'm making a video that you're going to be watching first, which is awesome. If you made it there, that's great. The story this week is called A Couple Boys Have a Great Weekend, I believe, and it's a really exciting book that kind of teaches us that it's important to laugh every day. So I'm going to switch my screen. One quick thing, I wanted to show you this really quick, this document here, if it decides to work. There we go. And so I just want you to know, so humor is recommended for living a long and full life. So this book is going to kind of teach us and give us some lessons that if we laugh often, at least daily, and surround ourselves with people and books and things that make us laugh, then we will live a long and full life, okay? So that's just one hint, and this book should help bring us some fun and some laughs today. I really enjoyed it when I was listening to it, okay? After that, you're going to talk with your family member about why it's important to laugh every day, and then you're going to make a list of those reasons, all right, my friends? Write down everything of why it's important. We are moving on from our tally charts. Tally charts was our first step. Now we're going to make bar graphs, okay? So I have a couple of videos here that should be pretty quick, and they will teach you about bar graphs, and then if you Zoom with me today, we will be making a bar graph as a class, okay? After you watch the video, I want you to take your tally chart that you made yesterday with your family's favorite ice cream flavors and turn that into a bar graph. It should be very simple, my friends, and those videos will kind of explain how to do that. If you're not sure about the bar graphs, then Zoom in with me and I will be happy to explain that and kind of show you, and we'll work through one as a class. All right, my friends, our healthy habit today is all about healthy eating. That is the next step after personal hygiene, is making sure that we fuel our body with healthy food. So this video is going to show you some ways that we can be healthy and some different things that we can eat and why it's really important for us to get all of those different food groups in our diet each day. After you watch the video, I want you to talk with a family member. What healthy foods have you eaten today, or maybe will you eat today, okay? Try to pick up those specific foods that are super duper healthy that will help your body to stay healthy and not get sick. I have another Easter craft for you, and that is a paper chick here, and I'm really excited. I saw some of the bobblehead bunnies yesterday on our Zoom meetings, and it looked like you guys had a really fun time, and I saw some really cool creative things that you added, and so that was super awesome. I hope you enjoy this paper chick, okay? And my friends, just a note, if you don't have time to get to all of these things that I'm posting for you each and every day, that is quite all right? As long as you are working hard and you're working to become a better reader, and we're thinking about the things that we've worked on in math, and that's what I'm asking, and that is excellent, okay? There's a couple new things I wanted to show you on the homepage really quickly. I changed our participation rubric. So after talking with Mr. Hines yesterday, who talked with some of our district administrators, our superintendents, he got some new guidelines for us. So my friends, we don't want to put any stress on you and your families about how often and how much you have to kind of send me or get in contact with me. So to earn a 3, which is an A, a thumbs up, you need to contact me at least one time per week. Now this is a huge shift, okay? Before, on my previous rubric, I had you checking in with me 3 times per week, and now you're only expected to check in 1. Now I have had friends checking in with me each and every day, and that's super awesome. If you're able to do that and it's not hard for your family to get you connected and get you checking in with me, then I would love to see you, and I will be here. But for you to earn a 3, you just need to check in with me 1 time per week. Now, if you're checking in with me more than 1 time per week, then you're definitely earning a double thumbs up, a level 4, okay? And that's excellent as well. But I don't want to put any extra stress on you and your families of having to get on Zoom or having to email me or text me or send me pictures. So 1 time per week is our goal, and if you're doing more than that, that's excellent. I'd love to see you. But a 3 is kind of where we want to be, and 4 is even better. Okay, I also added some extra resources down here. I told you about our happy numbers yesterday, and it looked like on my video I made yesterday some friends' names weren't showing up, and so I went in and played with my settings, and now I think everybody should be able to log in. If you're having trouble with happy numbers, please let me know, and I would love to get that fixed. Okay, so I added in here this art hub for kids. These are the drawing videos that we did a lot in class, where where there's the dad and then one of his children, and they kind of draw alongside, and you can participate as well. So I know you guys really enjoyed that. Here, if you click on this link, you'll be sent to their YouTube channel where all of their drawing videos are posted, and they have a ton of them. So go check that out. If you'd like to get moving in your house and want to do some Go Noodle videos, so remember these are those silly videos that have you move in silly ways, but they're really great workouts, and they're ways to get our kind of brain and our body activated, okay? So go check out that Go Noodle if you'd like to. That takes you to their YouTube site where all of their videos are posted, as well as this Cosmic Kids. So we've done some Cosmic Kids yoga, and that's where she tells a story, and we kind of do yoga along with the story, and that's really fun. So if you want to go do some Cosmic Kids as a way for you to get moving and active each day, then you can click on this picture, and then that will take you to the Cosmic Kids yoga site. All right, my friends. Well, I hope that you have a great Tuesday. I can't wait to check in with you. If you're going to check in with me today, that's awesome. If you're going to check in with me another day, that's great as well. I hope you have a great Tuesday. I will be posting more of our Seldovia Sam chapters, so check that out if you're really interested in finishing that book. Have a great Tuesday, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, friends.